Okay, now we are in a new chapter, 3.1 first section. These are about further problem solving. These are word problem. You're gonna have lots of word problem on the following exam and the final exam. So the first type of problem is simple interest rate. It's not compound. Simple interest rate. The formula for the simple interest rate is interest equal principal. The P represent principal rate, R represent rate, yearly rate. We usually keep this this is a 930 class, simple. The yearly rate, not monthly rate, not daily rate, or any other monthly rate. And the time, it could have 1 year, could 2 year, 3 year, but most of our problem will keep our year time to be 1 year. They keep it simple in this 930 class. So usually we build a table like this. The principal on the first column, rate second, and interest on the last. And here you could have a total line. You could have another box here, but it's okay here. Let's see our first example. This is our checkpoint number 2, textbook. Okay, page 186. Okay, these are just copy from the textbook there. Let me read. Suppose you invested $25,000. Part of the principal at 9%, so 2 account. 9% simple interest rate, okay? And the remainder, another one, remainder at 12%. So two principal split into 2 account. One principal split into 2 account. And the question here, if the total yearly interest, 1 year, okay? 1 year interest from these 2 investments was $2,550. They ask for find the amount invested at each rate. So now we have this formula. Principal equal interest equal principal times rate times 1 year. That's our the formula. So we are using this. First we build a table like this. We don't know how much in each account, but we do know their total principal is $25,000. So $25,000 put in here. We don't know this. We do know this is 9% for this account, 12% for the other account. We don't know these principal and not this principal. We can use our previous class cover. We set, suppose one of the account we set X. What is in the box here? X plus the question mark equal $25,000. So you just use the same variable, represent the other account. X plus something equal $2,500. What is the box? Using all the information here, the box should be $25,000 minus X, right? 25,000 minus X, using the same variable. Let's keep it cleaner here, erase here. Now, the principal time rate is interest, this formula. So you can write here 0.09x. This is 9% converted to 0.09 pi x. This is the same thing. 0.12 time parenthesis 25,000 minus x. That's how you fill in the box here. Then here you can leave it, this one you can leave it empty here. And then finally you write your total interest. You know that 1 year end here, 1 year, and these two interests add up to 2,550 for this. So these two add up to this, to the total interest. So let's erase here. So your equation, setup equation on your exam, you are required to show this equation. First account interest plus second account interest minus x equal $2,550. Okay? Your goal is to solve this x. Once you solve this x, you know the principal. This is the principal of 9%. Using 25,000 minus that principal, you get the other principal. Our goal is solve here. First of all, you simplify this, get rid of this parenthesis by distributing inside. $25,000 times 0.12 should be 3,000. Okay. Minus this 0.12 times x, 0.12x. That's copy first line and the last. And then you combine the like term, just like we did in our chapter 1 and 2. These two, one is positive, one is negative. Negative number a little larger, so you use larger number, subtract the smaller number, absolute. You get 0.03x plus 3,000 equal 2,550. And then you subtract this 3,000 both sides. So you get negative 450, negative 0. Supposed to be both negative. And then divided by 0.03, 0.03. So the first 9% account will be $15,000. As you can see, that's for this account. So you could label that 9% account. The other account, 12%, you just use 25,000, subtract this, will be 10,000. 10,000 for 12% account. Okay? This is how you solve this problem. Be sure to answer for both, right? Each rate.